Hi everybody, Dale Pinkert here at Forex Stop Hunter on Twitter. Yesterday I talked about the S&Ps, how important it was for it to hold the 2960 level. As you could tell from today's candle, that's exactly what we did. Ate through it a little bit, went to about 2959 and turned. Tomorrow's a big day for many markets. Will be affected by the tone of Jay Powell's speech tomorrow. The market's expecting a lot. I don't know if he's going to set the stage for month end with disappointing the doves looking for sharply lower, like a half a point move. Very unusual time when you have political pressure on a Fed chairman threatened with demotion and uh, not exactly an independent Fed, or at least that pressure to be independent is really being put to the test here. So the S&Ps have a chance if he comes out and throws out an olive branch about potential easing. Although with the S&Ps up here, always ask myself, why use the bullets now when you may need the ammo later if the market gets into trouble, instead of using your ammunition when the market's making new all-time highs. So the scenario for a move towards 3040, 3050, mid-month potential turning point seems to be in gear. The next market I want to cover is crude. I've been calling this rally that we had from the $50 level, and especially after that break from 60 to 56 and a couple of daily candles, that we could be headed back down towards that 54 level. I'm taking a shot here and probing it here at this 58.50 level. Wrong over 60. We started making new highs for the move. There's something else going on. So, again, pretty critical day for the crude oil as well, to see if what happened last week, which was most people would say impulsive, because it got from point A to point B in a heartbeat. We'll see if that was a break to buy, which would have been tough for me to buy that big red candle. Anyway, taking a shot, know my risking a buck to see if we get a break, get out of the way if we're over 60. The difference between pros and amateurs are pros know how to lose, so they have money left to be right with. And I'm going to wrap it today with Euro Pound, something I talked about. We're testing the megaphone top, that blue line up there. Uh, we are diverging. If you look at the RSI at the bottom of the chart, we're making new highs in a grinding fashion, almost a wedge-like fashion. Nothing surprises me. We could blow right through that blue line. So I have fail-safe stops, say 90.65 in case that happens, but we're right there. Closes back under 89.50 should be a pretty good sign that the correction's underway. If so, I do believe that there is potential for at least the 88 handle, possibly underneath it, towards that blue line at 87.50. Remember, don't just count your pips, count your blessings. Good hunting, everyone. Adios.